Hello, good morning. How are you? How are you doing? Um, I told you before now that just with 1,000 naira, I actually created a professional website, and this is the site I created. It's an e-commerce site with just 1,000 naira, and you can have something like this. Okay, you can have it your for anything you want to sell. Okay, shoes, clothes, whatsoever. So though I made this for books, so all you have to do is to change these to the products that you want to actually sell. So you can add it to your cart and all that and make payment. Is that okay? So I will show you just how you can do this. I've started that from the last video I did. And in the last video, I told you that this is a blogger site. I actually used the blogger site to create this professional website. So I have told you how to actually sign up on Blogger and how to create a blog, okay, a blogger site. So now let's go to the one we created the last time. Now this is the back end of your blog, okay, the site you have on Blogger. So this is the back end, this the front end, okay. This is the front end. This is what people will see, and you are the only one that have access to this back end. You can actually make modifications here to what you want people to see on the front page of your site. Is that okay? Now, what I'm going to tell you this today is how to change your domain name. I told you about domain name and web hosting account the other time we talked. Now, this domain name, I don't want this blogspot.com. Okay, I don't want it. It doesn't look professional. So I will show you how to actually change this blogspot, how to remove this blogspot from your domain name. Is that okay? So let's get at it. Let's get at it. All right, let's get at it. Sorry. All right, so that's it. Now, what you would do is to uh, the first thing is actually to register a domain name with a web hosting platform. Okay, so for example, I have a domain name registered here with Q server. So you just go to Q server, register it. Probably you want um, obafemi.com.ng. That's the domain name I registered here. So what you just do is that you register your domain name. Okay, just register. When you are done with registry, in fact, this is where you need to spend the money. This is where I spent the 1,000 naira. So for hosting or registering this domain name, I spent that amount of money, and that was all. Okay, so after registering, you go back to your blogger site, okay, to the back end, and you go to settings. Okay, when you go to settings, you will see the domain name or the blog address. This is it. Can you see the blogspot is still there? Okay, so what you do is to set up a third party URL. Okay, so I would insert what I wanted. Let's assume that I want to do my store dot story dot com dot ng. Okay, another thing you need to note is that I just used my store dot this. Okay, this is a subdomain name. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. The reason why I don't want to use the tonyobafemi.com is because I've used it before, so that you understand what I'm saying. But let's assume that you are using your domain name directly. You just had www dot, then you save. Is that okay? But I wouldn't be doing that. I'll use my subdomain name. Okay, let's say it should bring an error message. Oh, it's not bringing an error message. I think it was because I've used it before. Okay, let's see what I can do. Let me just use let me use another one that I haven't used. I want to show you how it works. Is that okay? So let's use another one. Set this, let's say, Nozel Consulting. Maybe that will be okay there. Consulting. Okay. .com. Okay, don't forget I need to put my triple W dot. Okay, it should bring an error message when you save, and that's yeah. Can you see we have not been able to verify this? So that's it. Now, what you now do is to go back to where you registered the domain name. So I come back to key server. Let's assume that this is the nuzelconsulting.com. Okay, then you go to the DNS manager. Okay, this is the DNS manager. You click on that, the DNS manager. All right, so that's where you make the changes. Now, let's go back to this. You will see that here you have the name or the label or host field. You have this. You have the destination target. You have this. You have this. Now you want to insert this into the DNS manager. It's like you are directing this to this. So that's what you want to do. So I come here and I create. So you create the 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 file. You come. It depends on the platform you are using. So I'm using this. So I'll create the file. You just come here. You copy this triple W. Okay, triple W. You copy that. Okay, you copy triple W. Okay, and you insert here. Okay, you go back. You copy this. Okay, copy. Then you insert it here. Okay. Now you change this A file. It's a CNAME file. So you change it to CNAME. All right. This is the time it will take to propagate. Just put it at 300. 300 is about 5 minutes. So it will take about 5 minutes for it to propagate. Then you save. Okay. I wouldn't save it because I'm not using it actually. But you save it. When you are done saving it, you go, that's the first one. You do the same for this. The other one, you copy that. Okay, you place it here, you place it there. Okay, then you copy the second one. All right, so you are directing. um, you copy that, or you copy that. Okay, you place it here. All right, so yeah. All right, I'll place that there. Okay, I think let's do that again. I believe you get what I'm saying. Okay, so you place that there. All right, good. So don't forget to always change this the type of file to CNAME. Then you save. When you are done saving, you can now wait for 5 minutes or thereabout. You need to change this. I've changed this to 300 seconds. That's 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, then you come back here and save. Once you save it, okay, once you save it, it would show that it has verified it. And when that's done, you can go back to the site and you see that it would actually have the URL name would have changed. Let me use this as an example. Let's use this as an example. I want to show you that. Okay, can you see? Okay, for this, can you see this is what you will now have? So instead of this going about blogspot.com, I'll set this as the third party URL. So it will be showing this. So if you just view this blog now, can you see the blog spot is no longer there? Okay, so that's how to go about that. Okay, so that's just it for now. So we'll take it a step further to look at this and all that. Okay, and I will share with you how to go continue with that, what you need to do to actually get this done. Thank you.